everybody. We are going to get started. Thank you all for coming. This is ACM Open House. Just to show of hands, how many people have heard of ACM before? Oh, wow. Everybody, almost everybody. All right. Well, you're going to, I guess, hear some of the information again here about all of the new things that we've been working on over the summer. So just to get started, we are going to introduce y'all to the officer team this year, which for some reason that slide is funky. But I will go to the YouTube link to show you that. Are we?
Silva. I'm the ACM Vice President.
Hello, my name is Jacob, and I am ACM's Technical Officer.
Hey guys, my name is Daniel, and I'm ACM's Media Officer.
Silva. I'm
Hi
the ACM Vice
everyone, my name is
Hello,
Corna,
my name
and
is
I'm
Jacob,
your
and
ACM
I
Public
am
Relations
ACM's Technical
Officer
Officer.
and your PR lead for
Hey
Rowdy
guys, my name
Hacks.
is Daniel, and I'm ACM's
Hey guys,
Media
my name is
Officer.
Alex. I'm the ACM
Silva.
Social
Hi
Officer.
everyone, my name is
Hello,
Corna,
my name
and
is
I'm your
Jacob, and
ACM
I am
Public
ACM's
Relations
Technical
Officer
Officer.
and your PR
My name
lead
is Tegan
for
Smith.
Hey
Rowdy
guys, my name
Hacks.
is Daniel,
President
and I'm
of
ACM's
Hey guys,
Media
my name is
Officer.
Alex. I'm the ACM
Josh.
Social
Hi
Officer.
everyone, my name is
Hello,
Corna,
my name
and
is
I'm your
Jacob, and
ACM
I am
Public Relations
ACM's
Officer
Technical
and your PR
My name
lead
is Tegan
for
Smith.
Rowdy
Hey
Hacks.
guys, my name is
President of
Hey
Hey,
guys,
my
my
name
name
is
is
Alex.
Alex. I'm the ACM Director
Hi
of
everyone, my
Color
name is
and
Corna,
Voice.
and I'm your
Jacob, and
ACM
I
Public
am
Relations
ACM's
Officer
Technical
and your PR
My name
lead
is Tegan
for
Smith.
Rowdy
Hey
Hacks.
guys, Daniel,
President
and
of
I'm
Hey
ACM's
guys,
Hi
my name is
everyone,
Alex. I'm the ACM Director
Hi
of
everyone,
Color
my name is
and
Corna,
Voice.
and I'm your
Jacob,
ACM
and I
Public
am
Relations
ACM's
Officer
Technical
and your PR
My name
lead
is Tegan
for
Smith.
Rowdy Hacks.
President of
Hey
Hey,
guys,
my
my
name
name
is
is Alex. I'm the ACM Director
Hi
of
everyone,
Color
my name is
and
Corna,
Voice.
and I'm your
Jacob,
ACM
and I am
Public Relations
ACM's
Officer
Technical
Hello,
and
my name
your
is Nathan
PR
Zuniga,
lead.
and I am the Rowdy Hacks Director.
Hello, I am Reese. I'm the ACM-W Vice President.
Hi, my name is Jacob. I'm project design for Rowdy Creators.
And my favorite parts about ACM are just the people. Everybody here is phenomenal.
Collaborating with people from all sorts of backgrounds and gaining a solid support system via those connections.
My favorite part about ACM is how you could build a community with people that are in tech and interested in tech.
My name is Brianna, and I'm the Public Relations Officer for ACM-W, and I love ACM.
To end off with, I love ACM.
And I love ACM.
I love ACM. I am the ACM President, and I love ACM.
I'm very private. I've never had crews within our home. It's a very safe space, but I have to, or choose to believe.
We're not going to watch that the whole time. All right. Okay, now it's embedded. All right. If you are not already signed up on our website called Portal, I would do that. This is your opportunity. And then next thing, real quick, if you're not already, make sure that you join our Discord. We post everything, all the events that we're doing in there, and then we also post it on our Instagram as well. And if you ever miss a meeting in the future, we do also live stream a lot of them. All right, and then what is ACM? So ACM is the biggest tech org on campus, and our goal is to create and connect the future tech leaders here at UTSA. And we do that through a variety of events. We have technical workshops, professional development opportunities, networking events, and socials. And we also do that through all of our sub-organizations and our hackathons, which you will hear about shortly. Real quick, a big thanks to our sponsors. The reason that membership is completely free is because of them. They are the reason that we are able to do every single event. And you might have mentioned earlier about I mentioned earlier about the membership points. So if you get 7 membership points in a given semester, you are considered an active member. And if you're graduating, that means you'll get a stole. Otherwise, you all can go to banquet. Most events are 1 point. However, the hackathons are 2 points. So that's a great opportunity to rack up those membership points. And you can also view our upcoming events on Portal by going to the URL listed on the screen. And then the other benefits of becoming a member is that you are eligible for our different giveaways and free swag, which in the past we've done things like headphones, Nintendo Switches, TVs, monitors, etc. So you definitely want to make sure that you always scan the QR code to all the events that you go to. All right, and then I'm going to start it off with our suborg, starting off with ACM-W.
Hello, my name is Vivian. I am this year's ACM-W director. I'm a CS major here at UTSA. You might see me around a little bit, but I'm here to talk to y'all about ACM-W. Love you. There's our Instagram and our Discord there as well if you want to join, but we have that at the end as well. So these are our ACM-W officers. So there's me. There's also our VP who's not here right now, but like everyone's sitting right there. It's all of us, our team. That's our ACM-W team. We're going to be organizing all the events for this semester, and like we really hope to see you at all of our meetings. So now I'm just going to talk about what exactly ACM-W is. ACM-W is like we're the org that is focused on creating an inclusive and strong community of women in tech and computing. We're focused on like making a lot of space for people to network and have fun, and just kind of like it's nice. It's just nice to have a community like that, you know. And like you also don't even have to be a woman to attend any of our events. Like they're just fun, and we're trying to have a great time and have a fun time. And all that we ask is that you come and you enjoy it. It's gonna be awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna just like end it off here by just saying like we have our next meeting tomorrow. You should totally pull up. It's gonna be in the SU in Aqua. It's like right over there. It's gonna be our kickoff social. There's gonna be free food, some free stuff. It's gonna be a great time. We're gonna be playing some games and like getting to know y'all as members. It would be really cool if you pulled up. There's our QR code for our Discord. And there's also like the link to our Discord if you're interested in that. And then like follow us on Instagram because we're doing our little officer takeover thing right now, and you should totally keep up with that. And we just post all of our event information on there. Really hope to see you at our events.
Hey y'all, I'm Ikra Abdullah. I'm the Code Quantum Director.
Hi, my name is Anusha Abdullah, and I am the Code Quantum Co-Director. Code Quantum is a hackathon that started in 2021. The goal of this hackathon is to highlight marginalized genders in tech.
We do this with events, workshops, and speakers talking about minority roles in tech. Everyone is invited as we encourage you to learn how you can support others in your community.
Code Quantum is held in the spring. You can expect everything typical to a weekend hackathon. My bad. Such as mentors, workshop, prizes, free swag, free food, and really awesome prizes.
Code Quantum will be held downtown at SP1, and we would love to see you there as a participant or even as an organizer.
All genders and all disciplines are encouraged to attend. You don't need to be a computer science major or even have any background to participate.
If y'all are interested in attending, please fill out the interest form. If you're interested in becoming an organizer, then our organizer application is right there.
And the organizer application does have all the information about the open positions and details about like what the requirements are. If you have any questions, you guys can ask us after the presentation. Thank you.
There we go. Hello, everybody. My name is Tegan Smith. I am the director of Rowdy Creators this year. So what is Rowdy Creators? We are here to provide a structured and supportive environment for group project creation. I understand that projects are very necessary when you're trying to land internships and jobs, and sometimes getting that motivation to do those on your own can be a bit difficult. So I think Rowdy Creators is a really great opportunity to have a place where you can meet, especially with people who have similar interests to you, and sort of develop those skills and get that leadership experience as well. These projects last all semester, and we cater to all experience levels. Most of our members are actually freshmen, so don't be scared to go, especially if you're new. Previous projects include web development / web design, a drone with an obstacle course, cyberbullying detector with natural language processing, Rowdy CTF, which I was actually the team lead of, which was a cybersecurity-based challenge, video game development, and Door AI. So you can see it's sort of a mix between software, hardware, really whatever you're interested in. And something to note is that we do provide the funding for these, the hardware that you might need. So everything's completely free. So we do have new additions to Variety Creators this year. I know some of you guys might have been here last year, so we wanted to kind of switch it up a little bit. The big one here is project mentors. So mentors would be from different companies and CS disciplines that would provide guidance on projects. So most of these are alumni, some are professors, and it really depends on the actual type of project that you're doing. One of these is actually a game developer, and I don't know how many of you guys play Minecraft, but he's the creator of one of the mods that have over 30 million downloads, so they are qualified individuals. We have also developed a project resources page to help people get started. I know if some of you guys were here last year, especially newer people, there were some difficulties with sort of finding how to start and get started, as well as the resources to do so. So we sort of taken an initiative to help bridge that gap. And we're also looking to add workshops through the year on project management, prototyping, and much more. I went ahead and got a project design officer for this year to sort of make that a smoother transition. And I'll have him come up here and sort of...
Hi, yes, my name is Jacob Nyberg. I'm pushing out these different project resources guidelines. This is not something that's going to be telling you this is how you make the next big 10x app. But it's something to, like, if you're going to build a progressive web app, if you're going to build a API, it's going to give you what you should think about and what resources you should look into. And so we want to give you what you need to get the ground running. So you're still doing your own thinking, still doing your own prototyping, and still doing what you want to do with your topic. So yeah, there we go.
All right, sorry guys, running a low on time. Why you should join, I've kind of touched on this in the earlier slides. You get experience in technical topics, and the biggest part is tangible to show recruiters. I know with internship season coming up, especially in my recent interviews, having things in my portfolio give me things to talk about to recruiters as well as in interviews. This is huge, it builds confidence, and I mean, it's just my biggest advice on how to sort of separate yourself from the rest of the field, especially in computer science. And I think a really underrated part about Variety Creators projects is the sense of gratification that comes with it. I know most of you guys have probably felt imposter syndrome, and sort of we also provide opportunities to lead a project. We do provide stoles upon graduation for team leads, and if you are interested, this is a QR form if you want to submit any ideas for Variety Creators. You are not obligated to lead these if you submit a project idea, but it does help the brainstorming process. Leave it for like 2 seconds. All right, and our weekly meetings will be every Wednesday from 5 p.m. to 6:30. Our first meeting is today, right after this meeting, so if you're already on campus in the open house, and here are our socials. If you want to enter that giveaway today, they're all going to be $20 gift cards. Just go to the Instagram, follow, and comment open house under our most recent post, and we'll be announcing the winner of that at the end today. So yeah, thank you guys. And this is one of my favorite people here at ACM, my sort of partner in crime, Joshua.
Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan DeConing. It's okay, I get it, I'm nervous too. Man, this is like the largest group of people I've ever talked to. ICPC, what is it? Why is it worth your time? Well, ICPC and Variety Creators are like two sides of the same coin. Variety Creators gets you the interview, and ICPC helps you pass it. So what is ICPC? It's a place where you can go, it's a club for honing your problem-solving skills, passing technical interviews, and if you're interested, going to programming competitions, if you're good. Why should you join? like I said, if you want to get into an interview, pass it with confidence, you should show up to ICPC. We'll cover all sorts of things like BFS, DFS, Dijkstra's, really cool stuff like prefix sums, and just a great thing to do. There's a lot of information on that slide, but basically, ICPC is taking a bit of a new direction this year. In the past, we had separated it into two divisions, Division 1 and Division 2. Division 2 was more beginner-oriented, Division 1 was more advanced. And this semester, everything will be combined, but the available problems will have a wider range of difficulty. So you can kind of pick and choose if you want an easy problem or a medium problem. Yeah, so that's adaptive difficulty, great for interviews. And then we're also going to have more varied events. So there will be like contests, mock contests happening. There'll be like an event for that. And there'll be like a technical interview, a lot of mock things. And then just more events. I'll think of some. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. And then donut. Yeah, we'll have donuts. That's like an ICPC thing. Ready Creators kind of stole it for a bit, but we'll get it back. Handy flow chart to see if you should join. Most of you have probably already read that. Okay, this is the problem sheet. This is going to be made open to everybody, like right after this, so you can look ahead if you want. But each week we're going to be going through some of these. So Tuesdays is going to be kind of instructional. That's where I'll go over the specific concepts, like a linked list, introduce you to that, help you think about it nice. There'll be a cool slideshow and everything. And then on Thursdays, we'll go over the problems. And every one of those problems, there will be a video explanation, solution, just to make sure you really get the concept. And all of these I've done, so I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so we should be all set for that. We'll meet every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 to 4:30, but you can really come and go as you like. The ending time isn't, you don't have to stay the whole time, right? I'm not going to force you to, but that is when we will have to leave. Meet the team. It's me. I'm the ICPC team. Great to meet you all. Hope to see you there. I don't know if we have room for all of you, but that'd be really cool. Let's see. Yeah, there's our Discord link in a cool little coffee mug. I designed that sort of. I mean, it was like a drag and drop sort of thing, but I think it looks really cool. I think that's about it. I believe, yes, Intro to Tech is next. Jacob? Thank you.
That's bright. Hello, everyone. My name is Jacob Ellerbrock. I am the ACM Technical Officer, and I'm going to be leading Intro to Tech this year. So a little bit about what Intro to Tech is. We mentioned earlier how they'll be doing workshops. Intro to Tech is one of these workshop series. Essentially, it's a whole workshop series that allows us to show y'all new ideas about tech, ranging from web development, game design, AI, all sorts of stuff. We really want to gear towards the beginner-friendly technical workshops. We know a lot of y'all are freshmen coming in, not sure what you want to do, just know you want to major in CS or whatever you want to do, and we want to try and show y'all the different types of tech that's out there. Our end goal is to really get y'all to find something you're interested in to pursue in the future. And a main point, companies are always looking for employees to have the basics down, so solidifying your basics, coming to the workshops would be a great opportunity. Some example workshops we've done in the past are Intro to Machine Learning and Intro to GL. Some other stuff, again, web dev we've done every year, GitHub we've done every year. You can find all this stuff on the ACM YouTube. So some of the formats, meetings, we're going to try to do every other Wednesday at 3 p.m. We do not have the first meeting scheduled yet, but we do know the first one's going to be web development. You can check our ACM Discord for more alerts about that. Some prereqs, bring a laptop or something to take notes on. Prerequisite knowledge is not expected. We, again, want to be beginner friendly and have y'all, we'll be teaching y'all everything y'all know. Again, check the Discord. We may have some software you may need to install before you come to the workshop. But yeah, again, check the Discord for everything. And then some of the new stuff we're doing this year is we're going to try to do more advanced workshops too. We know not everyone is a beginner. There are some more advanced topics out there that we want everyone to try and take a part of. So we're going to expand Intro to Tech to try and do more advanced workshops like React, Next.js, advanced game development, stuff like that. And then for those of y'all that cannot attend not attend the workshops or struggle to go through the VODs, we are working on a video series that will be entirely focused on rewatchability, heavily edited, all that stuff, to cover some general topics. Like we're working on an HTML video right now. And that's all I have about Intro to Tech. And CSE is up next.
All right, hey y'all. We're Coding in Color, and we're an organization dedicated towards minorities in tech to provide a community for them.
Okay, so can y'all hear me? Good. Okay, cool. So why should you care? So tech is one of the most diverse industries, but there's still a lot of room for growth for diversity, and that's where we come in. So Coding in Color is a place for all minorities to build community and also learn a little bit more about the industry. So it's a network. We uplift each other and also share resources and knowledge. It's a vibrant, we're a growing group, a vibrant and inclusive group. Yeah.
All right, time to present the officers. First, we have the president, which is Xavier right here. And all right, Renee is our vice president. All right. Tosin is our media officer. Unfortunately, Nigel's not here, but he's our public relations officer. And I'm Jesus. I am your secretary for CSE.
Okay, and if y'all want to stay connected with us, scan this QR code right here. It'll take you to our link tree, which has our Instagram and our Discord, and that's where we'll post all our updates. Scan that.
All right, so we've got a few upcoming events. We're planning on having general meetings every alternating Wednesday, starting not next Wednesday, but on June 25th at 5 p.m. And then we've also got a fundraiser coming up over at MLT Information Session coming up September the 20th. That is going to be really cool. We've got a recruiter for MLT. It's a solid program for internships and whatnot, and they're partnered with people like Apple, Dell, and Adobe. So I heavily recommend going by to that. Feel free to snap a pic, but if you guys join us on our Discord, we'll be posting reminders on there, as well as other events we have coming up. But yeah, that was our tidbit. Thank y'all very much.
Exit real quick and then go back in. Howdy, y'all. How are we doing? Yeah, that's good. Let's get some hype up in here. All right. My name is Nathan Zuniga. I am the Rowdy Hacks director, and
hi everyone. I'm Liam Murray, the Rowdy Hacks co-director.
Yep, so we have Rowdy Hacks 10, aka X, presented by Swivel, a San Antonio-based company. Basically, title sponsoring us. We, of course, have the Hack to the Future theme. We're going to talk to y'all a little bit about what Rowdy Hacks is, what is a hackathon, and why y'all should come out and give y'all some QR codes at the end. So what is Rowdy Hacks? Well, Rowdy Hacks is a hackathon. It is, think of it as a hack plus marathon, a coding marathon. When you think hack, don't think all cyber. I know we have a lot of cyber folks who are really interested in that. We do have that, but also it's just generally just coding, being a computer master. So doing that for the whole 24 hours of coding and building. Yeah, it's very beginner friendly for everyone. We do have a lot of people who are skilled, who are talented, who come out and show out their skills. But also we provide a lot of resources, a lot of opportunities for beginners, which I assume a lot of y'all are, to thrive and survive in there. So yeah, this year, for those of y'all who don't know, Rowdy Hacks has previously been a spring-only hackathon, but we have transitioned it to the fall to better align with the recruiting season to help with y'all, but also to get Rowdy Hacks in the name, in the know for the fall recruitment season. So yeah, I'm going to hand it over to Liam to talk about what we can expect.
Yeah, so what can you expect at Rowdy Hacks? So first of all, a big key thing that we have is workshops. So you can expect workshops on all sorts of technologies, stuff like web development, game development, AI, anything. We will have workshops there to teach you the skills that you need to build a project. And then also, if you run into issues, we'll have mentors there who are able to help you with like the more nitty gritty, like I'm running into this error, I can't figure it out. They'll be there to support you and make sure you're able to get a project out the door in that 24 hours. Also, we will have different competition tracks. So no matter what your interests are, no matter what you want to build, we will have a competition track for you, and you'll be able to build whatever you want at Rowdy Hacks. Also, sometimes you'll want to take a break from the kind of coding, grinding, all that. So when that happens, we'll have a bunch of socials, side events, games, stuff like that to, take your mind off of it and, kind of get a little break in there. And then also we'll have tons of free food and snacks. So, you won't have to worry about going hungry or bringing your own food. We will have plenty. And then lastly, obviously, it wouldn't be a hackathon without prizes and event swag. So for the folks who win, basically you do a presentation with your project and present it at the very end of the 24 hours. You'll win awesome prizes. We've given out stuff like, game consoles, gift cards, money, things like that before. So you can expect all of that. And also, obviously, everyone gets event swag. So we'll have t-shirts, stickers, all sorts of other swag. Yeah, I'll pass it back to Nathan.
Yeah, another thing we have is, I don't know if it was mentioned, a partner career fair where all the companies that partner with us come show out for the first 2 hours from 9 to 11. And basically, the career fair that's happening in 1 week that UTSA is hosting, we're going to have our own little thing so you're able to talk with the recruiters, talk with these companies, and get the opportunity to engage and connect with them. So yeah, pretty gnarly. Actually, I just found out registration just dropped right now. So if that's an interest form, don't even worry about that. Go to go.rowdyhacks.org/register. We just opened registration literally 1 minute ago, right, Christian? Right? Right? Yes, right. Anyways, it's going on. And then also, if you just want to volunteer, there's that form right there. Go.rowdyhacks.org/volunteer. And also, yeah, Rowdy Hacks is happening this fall. Let's go! Woo! And before I close it off, I totally forgot to do this. What we do at Rowdy Hacks is it's this call and response. When I say howdy, howdy, y'all gotta say, let's get rowdy, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna say it. Howdy, howdy. Let's get rowdy. Yeah, I don't think I heard y'all. I'm gonna do it again. Howdy, howdy. Let's get rowdy. One more time just for the fun of it. Howdy, howdy. Let's get rowdy. Let's go, we're gonna get really rowdy this fall. Let's go, let's go. All right, pass it off to Datathon.
Thank you. I'm short, so I might just have to hold this. Good afternoon. My name is Natasha Blesick, and I am your Rowdy Datathon co-director. This year, ACM is once again partnering with the NSA, the National Security Agency, the School of Data Science, and UTSA's Mathematics Department to bring you guys the Rowdy Datathon. This year, we are having the Rowdy Datathon October 5th and 6th downtown at the San Pedro 1 building. And let's talk about what a datathon is. So you all heard Nathan and Liam talk about Rowdy Hacks. So they are a traditional hackathon and highly encourage anyone to go It's an awesome event, and we're very similar in that aspect. We are a data science project-based hackathon, so a datathon. We focus on a data set challenge for you guys to work over the weekend. So for 24 consecutive hours, you'll have the opportunity to work through the different tracks that we'll have available, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, for our data set and we'll have the challenge is really relevant in San Antonio, but across the greater North America, the data set this year will be focused on that aspect. And there's really an opportunity to create a meaningful project this year. So I highly encourage you guys to check us out this year. So who can attend? Attendees and participants, any current university students or any recent graduates for up to a year post-graduation, you are all welcome to sign up. All experience levels and all majors are encouraged to come out. Not only will you have the opportunity to grow your knowledge and your technical skills, but you'll also be able to network with professionals in the data science community and in the government space, as we will have the NSA as part of our event, as we have in the previous 2 years as well. So we're gonna have a bunch of amazing prizes as well for event winners. We're gonna have great food throughout the event, and we'll be giving out free swag, so t-shirts, stickers, and we're gonna have a lot of fun things happening over the course of the weekend. A couple of things that we're doing, midnight cup stacking, and we're gonna be doing a sticker swap. We're gonna have over 1,500 stickers for everyone to rummage through. It's something really exciting and something that we're looking forward to. And without further ado, here is the link for our registration, rowdydatathon.org/sign up. We do encourage you all, if you are interested in attending, to reserve your spot today. We are an exclusive event, so spots are limited. So again, highly encourage you to register today. On the left-hand side, we have our Discord link and QR code. If for some reason the QR code doesn't work, just go ahead and check out the link below. You can find announcements and upcoming updates as we get closer to October. And lastly, on the right-hand side, if you're not following us on Instagram, go ahead and scan the QR code over there to follow us. And you can come find me after our presentation ends. I'll be giving out free stickers to anyone who follows us on Instagram. Thank you so much. I'll hand it off to Christian.
All right. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Yeah, hey, so what's going on? My name is Christian Walker. I'm ACM's Projects Officer this year. And so I just wanted to kind of chat a little bit about what we're up to and what we're doing. So yeah, this is me. Hope you can see the resemblance. Basically, what does ACM Projects do? We're all about open source software and kind of growing basically our open source community. I've been a part of projects for well over a year now, and then I took over as officer. I'm really excited for some of the projects that we're going to be working on this year. And one of the big things is we kind of like to be involved in just about everything. So kind of a little bit of a topic on, you know, what do we do? So our current project in progress right now is Portal. ACM Portal is one of the things that we're working on rewriting, adding more quality of life features for you guys, as well as just a bunch of different things, as well as a bit more of a newer version of Portal, something that we hope to make extensible as well as open source to other organizations to use one day in the future. Same thing with HackKit. It is our hackathon management software. For any of you who attended Rowdy Hacks last year, you were probably familiar with HackKit as well. This is one of our other big products that we work on. It's used by all the major hackathons at UTSA, and it's now been used by Arizona State for Sun Hacks. That's coming up in a couple of weeks, yeah? So once again, some really cool projects that we're doing here. And once again, the biggest thing is that all of the open source things that we do are made for the users. So if you have suggestions or you want to get involved, this is the best way. Even if you feel like you're not super experienced, if you want to learn a tech stack, if you have any sort of interest, we'd really like to have new people get involved. Oops. So yeah, so basically this is what Projects does. So if you have any sort of interest, feel free to come talk to me afterwards, as well as be on the lookout for different announcements and things that I have. Ping me if you have any questions. And yeah, thank you.
Y'all awake? I know Nathan's awake, but are y'all awake? Come on, a little better. Are y'all awake? Thanks. Hello, y'all. Dang, there's a lot of new faces this year. My name's Alessandro Espinosa. I am currently a junior computer science major, and I am one of your Bits and Bytes program managers. It's a little bit redundant because this first slide is your officers. So there's me with the cowboy hat. There is our very own Vice President Joshua Silva and Darren Menaligod in the back. We collectively refer to him as Unk. Yeah, so I kind of just want to take, I don't want to take too much time, but I kind of want to go over the Bits and Bytes program, which is also referred to as the Junior Officer Program. We called it Bits and Bytes because there used to be a mentorship program we used to have back in the day, and it's also just cool marketing, like, come on. So kind of going into the program overview, basically the Bits and Bytes program is kind of like this talent acquisition and like leadership development program that we have here at ACM, where you're working really closely with the officers in charge of making ACM work. And so what kind of happens is that you apply in a few slides, and you'll get scheduled an interview in the upcoming weeks, kind of talk about who you are as a person, what you're about, why you're passionate about tech, and why you're passionate about leadership. Because just quick show of hands, who here wants a job after they graduate? Okay, I better see everyone's hand up. I'm about to be a little concerned as to why you're here. But I go to say that because in the tech field, everyone and their mother can write a calculator app, right? But something that you can't really teach in a classroom is leadership skills and how to interact with people in a team dynamic and how to really go about that professionalism and becoming something more. So that's kind of what we aim to do here with the Bits and Bytes program, really to get you in the habit of, effectively communicating between your officers and yourself, understanding work-life balance, and just being part of something where you can create deliverables and work on program and project management to actually talk about in your interviews, to talk about those behavioral skills, those leadership skills, those intangibles that not many people have. So go through the application process, then you hop on ACM initiatives for things like we do a booth at Best Fest where we typically snow snow cones. We put on a banquet at the end of the year if y'all want to help with that. And just other things like events, tabling, where you get to sign up for these initiatives and you get to work really closely with these officers who will assign you these tasks. And then you kind of get to see where your vibe fits in ACM, whether that's ACM proper or one of our sub-orgs. You really get to kind of just explore your leadership style and kind of what you want to have going on. And so the hope is that after your first semester working under these initiatives, you move on to the shadowing phase, where you get to work really closely with the officer and really understand what goes into being a media officer or a projects officer, and really learning how to run a team. So that way, when the next election cycle comes up for officers, you'll be trained and prepared. This is the QR code for the program. Please fill it out. Yeah, that's honestly all I have. I'm gonna leave it up there. Thank you for your time.
Okay, yeah, one more round of applause for all of the amazing sub-org and hackathon leaders that spoke today. Yeah. No, they put a lot of work in over the summer to make this all possible for y'all. So, as for ACM's upcoming event, our next one after this will be on Monday from 3 to 5 p.m. and it will be a resume review in collaboration with the CS Department, USA, and actually now also SWE. If you did not know, the STEM Career Fair is next Wednesday, so this is a good opportunity to get your resume reviewed maybe one last time before that comes up. We are going to be having an opportunity for you to reserve a slot by scanning that QR code. It's a sign-up genius, so you can sign up for the 10-minute slot and ensure that you will have a space. Cool. It's not in the Delgo. It got moved to the Rotama, actually, and it is going to be a recruiter from Paycom coming and talking about professional development and some of the opportunities that they have for you guys. They have applications that are just for UTSA students. And besides that, this coming Friday, from 5 to 10 p.m., we are going to be going to have a boba social / fundraiser at Bestie. Please come out and visit. You can meet. Oh, and then real quick, it looks like before the last slide, we're gonna have the Rowdy Creators giveaway winner.
So the picture didn't show up, but I used a random like wheel spinner giveaway thing, and the winner was Isaac Lopez. I think I pronounced that right. Isaac Lopez, are you here? I will say we have 2 more at our meeting at 5 p.m. today. It's in North Paseo building, 5th floor. I think it's the biggest room. So yeah, if you want to win again, please show up. And congratulations.
All right, and then that is all from us. Make sure that you sign in, get the membership point if you haven't already. Scan our link tree to see more. You can see all of the different sub-organizations' discords, and then come talk to us. We would love to talk to y'all. And make sure to get some free pizza on your way out. Thank y'all so much for coming.